I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to create a zooming true text intro in Canva. Very easy for complete beginners. You will not have any problems to create this effect. Make sure you stick to the end of this video. I'm going to show you the entire process step by step. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more. I'll really appreciate it and really help a lot and really make me happy. So thank you so much. So all we have to do first is to go to text, add a text from here. We can also click on T to add text. If you don't want to click, let's say you are in elements and you want to add text, you press on T very fast. So now I'm going to write here welcome, go to Canva, and here I'm going to select this font. You can write bold here if you're looking for this type of font, and this is the font if you want to use the same font. Now I'm just gonna move this here. I'm just gonna click on the background, click on dark background, and I'm gonna change this to white, the text and the background, and add a shape now behind this, something like this. Actually, we don't need to add the background white. Can leave the background white, just add the shape here and change this to dark, and now we can right click layer and send to back, something like this. And now we have to go to share, download, and export this. Now I have this image here that I just imported, and I can move this to the next to this page. And now I'm gonna go to this search and I'm gonna look for Italy video. Go to video, I'm gonna click on this one and right click on this and set video as background. I have this here. Now I'm just gonna grab this, position it on top of the video, click on edit photo, and then we're gonna need background removal. So I'm gonna click on this and it removed the background. So this is what we have now, and that's what we actually need. Page number 2 we can delete, and we're gonna have to click on show pages and then make sure you have checked this duration. Now we can change the duration of this video, so we can resize this. Also click and right click, and we can also click actually on this page, and from here we can change duration, or we can grab from here. That we don't have the option from here to change duration because this is just a video and it has this duration, but we can change this to less than 30 seconds. We don't really need 30 seconds, that's too long, at least for this project. But if you want for more, you can leave it as it is. It's up to you. So what we're gonna have to do right now is, let's first split this. So we're gonna grab this cursor and move it right in the middle, and then we can right click and click on split page, or use yes, S. Usually that's what I'm using the shortcut, yes, S. So click on split page, and now on this second page we can grab this text, zoom out from here, and we're gonna have to zoom to resize this very large, this text, so we can see through a letter. Now which letter, you decide which letter you're gonna add, but I'm gonna add this one. So I'm gonna have to zoom out a lot. And okay, just let's see now if we have one letter to see through our text, which we don't have. So we're gonna have to zoom even more, I believe, and even more. So let's look now if we can see through a text. Super close. We're just gonna have to do it again. So now let's see. Let's see. So okay, now here, if you hover your mouse between your pages, you can see here add page or add animation. So please click on add animation, and here we have this match, move, match and move. So please click on this. Now click on match and move, increase duration. Also click on now on the first one here and just increase this, so actually there's no space there. And now let's see what we created, but before let's actually zoom in and let's play. Yeah, but it's just quite slow, so we can decrease to about 2 seconds. So let's move the cursor back and let's play. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. Now, as you can see, zooming right here. So if you want to zoom here, so it's a middle, make sure you add actually this letter right there. So if I want to click, as you can see on this, you can't, because this animation is kind of connected, so you have to remove it. And then I can go back here, and I still can't find it. So what you have to do is actually copy this and move here and paste it. All right, and now we can create this in a different way. So is it actually in the middle, so it should be on C. So let's try again. Okay, excuse me. Now let's zoom out. Fortunately, you can zoom out even more, so that's why you're gonna have to do it this way. I'm gonna show you a little later on how to really improve the quality of that video when you're zooming out. So should be, I said, so L, C, and then O, so should be C, I said. Now I would just have to zoom out a little bit more again, and then and now let's move a little bit more, and just this, make sure you see corner that, so you don't move that too much. Now C, I said, so let's see if you can find. Okay, we found this. Now let's go in the middle here, add transition, match and move, and increase duration to about 2. We also see here the animation, so let's play this, and let me zoom out so you can see, and it's playing. So yeah, this looks pretty nice. Now make sure you actually click on, so here we can wear position, we have layers, right? And I don't need a little bit this, and unfortunately we don't have the option to hide. Here you can't see anything related to hide. We can show timing. We can see now this text, you know, and you can edit this if you want. But what we can do is actually click on transparency and decrease transparency, because we just want to look at this text right now. And as you can see, the clarity is good. You just have to export the video. But I like to go here and just play a little bit with this temperature and brightness, and increase the clarity. And now let's click again on this and increase the transparency again. And now let's see our animation. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. This is great when you want to introduce a city, a product, or something. It's really creative. You can also create this, I think, in PowerPoint. I've created this already, but it's quite easy here in Canva as well. And then once you create one time, you use that text every single time, you can just replace with a different video, image, or product, whatever you want. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.